The Regimens page allows you to create regimens, and a regimen is a series of sequences that run based off of the start date of the regimen itself. So let's start out and create a very basic regimen. So to create our first regimen, go over to the Regimens column and press the plus button. We'll give our regimen a name, which will be to grow carrot, and we'll make it orange to match carrots. So we'll press the save button there. And now what we need to do is schedule our sequences to run based on the starting date of when we're going to start this regimen. The starting date would probably coincide with when we want to start growing this carrot. So what would we do on the first day of our growing carrot regimen? We're probably going to want to run a plant seed sequence. So I already have some sequences made here. So we'll plant the seed on day 1 at 8 in the morning. Once we've done that, we'll press the plus button and add that to our regimen. If we ever make a mistake, we can always press this trash can icon here, and that will remove that item from the regimen. So now that we have our carrot seed planted, we'll want to water our carrot seed, let's just say every other day for the first 3 weeks of its life. So we'll go back to the scheduler, we'll select water the plant, and we'll do it at 8:30 a.m. on day 1 and so on until we've selected our first 3 weeks here. And we'll add that to the regimen. And now our carrot will be watered every other day at 8:30 a.m. So that's just a very basic regimen. You can see that you could create very complicated regimens that are using all sorts of sequences running at all different times throughout the entire life of the plant. You could also create a regimen for taking care of your garden as a whole, or doing specific operations in the garden that maybe don't necessarily apply to a plant, but need to be done in the garden periodically.